Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be talking about a very specific stock. It's SoFi Technologies. Alright, so as you guys know from my other videos, I really like charts. Alright, I like to break down the charts. I can show you numbers, and I can show you what I think of it, and I can show you what I can predict, but charts will always say the right answer. Okay, so it's been a long since I have recorded, but here we go for another video. So SoFi, let's start. I changed a little bit of my time frame. So right now I'm starting from the 12 months time frame, which is 1 year time frame. Okay, so we only have around 6 candles from 2020. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we're on the 6th candle right now. We're currently trading at about $15.99, so $15, $16 a share, right? And this year alone, we've hit 1842, and our lowest was 1360. Okay, so there's a couple of things that we have to take into consideration here, and I do have some numbers to write it down. Okay, so first one, I'm gonna start from bottom, which is gonna be 420. Right, a little bit higher actually. 425 is my first number. All right, so 425 is roughly the lowest that the stock went. So this is just a number to keep into consideration. All right, so once we break down the next numbers, I'm gonna give you guys roughly close to 10 different basically numbers here that I'm thinking, and we have the bottom numbers, which are 425, 6, and 10, which are the best opportunities to buy. And again, we're trading at 16 right now. So, and I'm gonna give my target, which is gonna be very high over here, and then where we are right now and what could happen. So, next number that I have for SoFi is 6, and then the following number that I have is 945. All right. Now from the 12 months, I can drop down to the 3 months, and then I can drop down to 1 month. So these are my highest time frames. I like to, for this stock, I would like to be at the 1 weekly time frame. This just gives me enough information to make a decision. So like I was saying, the $4 a share to $6 a share would be the best scenario to be buying. So this, I'm gonna highlight in green, will be the best scenario to buy because it's basically the lowest. So you don't want to be entering here, or let's just say right here as an example, and then hoping price just reaches $30 a share and then basically dumps around 80% and then not buying at the bottom. So you need to understand basically every move, everything, and this is why I say candlesticks are a must. The candlestick chart is a must. Okay, so $4.25 to $6 a share is the best place to be buying. Second best place would be right around here, the 950. So everything below 950 or close to $10 a share would be very interesting as well. Now if we come to the monthly time frame, like I see here, I do follow this moving average, which is very interesting, and the moving average is right above the $10 a share, which for me could mean potentially a pullback. If this happens, will be perfect to $10 a share. If not, $10 a share is also a good buy for SoFi. Okay, so to the weekly time frame again, I don't like to drop below the weekly because on stocks I do mostly long term, 6, 12, and 18 months of trading the stock. Okay, so the next price that I'm gonna be setting a target on is basically 1460, just right around here. Next is gonna be around $18 a share, just right where we are. Next is gonna be 23, 25, and I'll explain all of these. And then the next would be 28.45, and then from there is just, you know, the 30s. So let me explain. So this is basically where we are right now. So we're between the 18, and I'll change the color to purple. So this is where we are right now, basically inside this range. Now, I like to know where we are because it basically gives me enough information to make a decision, right? Like I was saying, if we break the $14 a share, potentially we could come down all the way to 10 or close to $10 range. If we look towards the left, we have basically clean traffic all the way breaking 18 all the way to 23. And then I'm gonna zoom out and then explain, right? If we look at this, we have a jump from the $14 a share to $18 a share, and then another jump, so 14 to 18, then another jump to 23, and then we have the all-time highs. But this is what matters the most to me. So we have this, and then if we zoom out, we see this happening again. If we zoom out, if we go towards the right, this happens again. Right now, if we copy and paste the same tool that I'm using and then go towards the right, what does it tells us, right? That 23 is basically my first target of this stock of SoFi. All right, so 23 right here, this range is basically my first target. This happening it's going to be awesome. Okay, so after this breaks, you know, we have the 28.45 being the second target. So I'm not a financial I'm not giving you any financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not nowhere near a professional trader, but this just looks like a good opportunity to me. All right, so do your own research. Make sure you guys study. Make sure you guys come up with different reasons to buy, to not to buy the stock, and then make sure you manage your money very, very well. Okay, so let's not hope. Let's just wait until this reaches the 23 and then $28 a share, maybe going even higher. Okay, so we have earnings as well on Monday, May 5th, Cinco de Mayo, and then let's just see you on the next video.